freezing. It's freezing. It's sleeping for my people. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Let's all tap. Let's all share the live video. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Oh, shit. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, ungena step. Guys, ngiceda ungena bafowethu. Ngiceda ungena bafowethu, ngiceda ungena. Ana sesikhathi eside. Guys, ngicela sonke nisephe screen share live. Ni grand kodwa bangani mamatango. Ni grand, ni mnandi, ni fresh, ni tanko, ni blessed. Ngicela nithi tata. Ululu, ngicela nithi tanko. Shut up. Ngicela nithi tata. Ululu, ngicela nithi tanko. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, utap umuntu oyedwa nje kuphela ni grand kodwa bangani mamatango. Are you guys okay? Are you guys good? So sharp mfethu. Sonto mvuleni ngicela ungithepele screen. Guys, can you all tap? Mara ni sharp, mara ni tap screen. Mara why go? Oh. Hi, good ref. Good ref nkosi yami. Good ref nkosi yami. Wasebish.
Watsiba.
Wasebish. Khona la umbani nayo sangilindisile ngazi lokho athi uyabuya.
Ubuyaphi?
Eh?
Now I want to restart my life.
Yabo.
Hello. Like what was I celebrating
Ungaqali.
How are you?
One game. Ningangishine.
So dlala one game.
One game, yeah.
Siyomapha ngoba siceda kufika yabona ngabi nama tips atheni inkosi yami.
What was I celebrating
Ngenzeni mara wena mngani wami unayo.
I'll request.
Mngani wami wena uhlezi ubusy wena. Like every time ngifuna urequest uhlezi unabanye abantu ene mina angeke ngikhiphe ebantwini. Angisilo umuntu ukuthi ngizovela ku live ngithi woza sodlala. Uyazi le feeling. Yokhipha umuntu adlala nabanye abantu.
If you want to play with me, uyangitshela ukuthi ngani let's play. I need sometimes ngidlala nabo because I don't have another person to play with. So if you guys want to, maybe
Le feeling yokuthi ususa umuntu adlala lapho. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Yes, but remember if I know ukuthi I have lucky to play with, I can sometimes nginohlala because I don't have a choice. Hi Ritabile.
Izolo. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Izolo bekuyimi ulwazi uzimo. So uKendi besathi ngicela ningifake after the match, yabo. So I request ithe ingena ulwazi wa accept. Phumelo sawubona ulwazi wa accept kanti accepta so uBlack Italian. Saba i4 Kendi wavela kwimi kuma comments ngathi mina ngazi kwenzakala noya ulwazi wathi inkinga. Black Italian phuma wathi angiyindawo. Ngono niphuma ngabe nina nizimisele ngento yeni. Phumani nonke nishiye mina. Hayi sadlala naye game eyi1 saziba uKendi. Kendi waya wakhuluma le kulwazi athi manje senze njani. Yaphela igame wathi Black Italian phuma wathi angiyindawo. Sadlala naye futhi igame. Mina lokho ngithibila kufaka. Yes 3 game kwaphuma.
Mara naye angeke ukhiphe umuntu shem.
Kwaphuma igame S3 kwaphuma uzimo kwaphuma ulwazi ngasala naye. Ngabona ukuthi angeke ngilandele ngadlala naye. Igame eyi1 ngadlala naye S2 S3 ngamuzwa athi hayi ndoda ayithi ngihambe ngcono uhambe kulabo sesibakho lapho. Ngafika le ngabafe mfakeni bangiziba kokuqala badlala 2 games solo bangiziba. Mara ngeke ufike umuntu usidlala lathi phuma uza sodlala bese umbone ngithi
Yeah, that's
sithe
why it's not good, Shem.
yabo ufila njani wena sihleli manje kuvele la i-comment ithi ozasodlala yimi uzibani bani yabo igame mayiphela umbone ngithi sithi ingakuvela mawuthi uyangi-check-a nge-backup
Unless
ngu-live
if maybe sikhulumile ukuthi okay sizodlala ngabo 5.
like ngiya-understand ukuthi ngikuthole vele uplanile ukuthi mhlambe ngo-4 khona lapho inya-understanda vele uyangitshela ukuthi emfethu 5 to 4 ngizokushiya yabo sinematch nabantu abasona so besiyiplan vele ihlezi khona. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Guys, okay, let's tap, guys. Come on. Sidlala in quiet game. Stand up uzokhona. Musiya uzama phambi kwe-fridge.
Angizokhona kule. I will adjust.
Mara mnganifana sidlala ama-day game.
Manje
Mangabakhanda.
kunelanga mara mangithi thina izolo bekunetha. So namhlanje kunelanga.
Ivele itshintshile nala. Angathi ukuthi
Madoda sawubona njani? Guys, ngicela sonke sithape screen share live. Guys, mangaba una gift ne, ngicela ungithepele screen nje kuphela ungishare live.
Lucky ngithi awufuni sidlala but not today. We can organize ukuthi when. Ama-day game. Ngizokutshela ukuthi ngifuna in nani. We organize. Now uyangitshela. Izoba mnandi.
Very kakhulu.
But ngizoya ekhaya sidlale khona because la I can't play.
Kuphi around
Plus
or
clean ngaphandle. Yo, ama-security wala uyabazi. Bangathi hey. Don't do that.
Bebo bakakhuluma ukuthi mhlambe uthothi sime ngaphandle mabethi kuki 5 liter amanzi ku 500 uyayiguga so bese ku 1000 uyazithela ngawo.
Bole.
How obvious ngisigqokela ivest.
Yeah, no, it's a good game.
Hamba ngeenyawo sigqokela ivest ne-short nyana nje sinawo ama-short la kwakuyi.
Yeah. Oh, we can do it.
Sesisaba nina beyinwele. Sesisabela nina beyinwele nama-makeup nani.
Mara. Ish.
Cabanga nje sezimanzi zona.
Ngiyakutshela ngizenza kanjani ngoba ngithi ngifuna ukudlala amade.
Somela ubulo fuyi uyedraya huyi.
Nginamaqanda uzokwata umama asathi hayi uyamosha.
Phela khona ukuthi waphule mara at the end of the day yabo akusebenzele. Bese waphule uluza amaqanda uluze konke.
Exactly. Yabona nami last besidlala i-day game, bathini gulping game, ne? Amalikwa bewavalile. I had to go and buy a pub at the pub. I think I spent more than 600. Ama-papa ayadura, guys.
Papa kanti konke is papa in place. Guys, thank you for tapping. Papa
But at least it was worth it because I got my money back and extra, so.
Yabo. Pheli ulwazi.
Phela no abantu bafuna ivavavomo. Like, oh, ulwazi, ne?
Abantu abanalanga lonke abantu bangichaza mina. They don't have the fucking whole day. They don't have the fucking whole day.
Hey.
Hi.
Are you ready, silent game? 1K stand up.
Yes.
Now day games because wow, you can see.
Yo, and Mandela punished me so bad.
Did you punish him?
I did.
Bali
was
ngobuza ipilto ngendlovu.
Athi yeah.
Konje ngobuza ipilto ngendlovu ukuthi kuphi?
Mina.
Let's go. First gift.
Oh, yeah. Mina ipilto ngiyayithanda.
Guys, can you all tell the screen and share the live? What's up, how are you?
Let's tap. Abantu bakuphi.
You will see it on my post. Guys, first
So,
gift.
and I don't even mind like ukuthi bona ngaye ekhaya
1K stand up.
Yazi ngaye ekhaya every day ngibuye late. Ekseni when I take the kids to school, go home, come back.
Times 2, guys. Let's go.
Guys, can you all
Everyone
tap the screen and share the live?
Let's move it.
Guys, let's keep on
I
the
have a
jump.
slight
Yes,
headache.
come on, please. Hi, Nito.
Everyone, let's push, guys. Please tap on the screen. Remember to
Guys, come on. We're playing 500 silent game,
share
1K
the live, guys. Share
stand
the
up
live.
game. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys.
I see your comments. Don't worry. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Come on, guys.
Guys, can you all push them?
Come on, good
Please those
people.
likes, guys. Chin, welcome in. Guys, everybody, we push it. We move. We move. At 1K, we show them.
Ronnie boy, how are you?
Oh, Manga, how are you?
Lazi's favorite. Thank you for the heart me.
Guys, can you all check the screen and share the live?
Thank you for the heart me. Ah. I really appreciate you. Guys, please tap the screen, please.
Yana, Nancy.
Are you good, Brownie boy?
Afternoon, how are you doing?
Guys, please tap the screen for me, guys. Please tap. But
Guys, can you all check the screen
We
and
are
share the
going
live?
on
Guys,
time
can you all
2 now,
check?
guys. Let's
But
take them
I can't
down.
see. Other people are not active. Hey,
I'm
Katie.
not
How are
old.
you?
I am very young.
Come on,
Guys,
my
can you all
good
check?
people. We need 10 roses,
Hey, hi,
please.
Isabel, how are you?
10
Guys, can you all
roses.
check the
Yeah,
screen and share
same
the
here.
live? Guys, can we
10
have 10
roses
roses
to
there, Rosa?
activate.
10 roses.
Open the long tail grandpa.
10 roses,
Guys, can we
guys.
have 10
Please,
roses
so
there,
with the
Rosa, to
heart
activate this thing?
me. Thank you.
10 roses to
Let's do
activate
one rosa.
this thing.
Oh,
As
10
well.
roses, guys. 10 roses, 10 roses, 10 roses, 10 roses.
Guys, 10 Emma
10
Rose, no me Rosa,
roses,
to
10
activate this speed.
roses.
Guys, can we have a
Guys,
Rosa?
we are running out of time. Yes, thank you, Brown. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, I want to finish yours now. And I will not be silent. I will.
Woo! Woo! Yes! Don't look. What are you looking at?
Can you see me, Gazi? Gazi, can you see me? Can you see me?
We are seeing a headshot without the head.
But Brownie boy, I knew that you were gonna bury me like that. I knew, my brother. I was ready.
You.
I was ready.
Everywhere we go, guys, let's push it. Thank you so much, Brownie.
But it's not
Can
wonderful.
we all tap the screen, guys? Can we all tap
Let
the
me try
screen?
to fix myself. Really? I'll be happy.
Hey, yo.
Can you see me, Lazi?
See. Yeah, I can see you.
Stop eating, like, close the fridge. Oh my
Alright,
God.
but what are you doing? Ngizokushaya. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ngizothimba ngonyawo olulodwa lapho.
ZZ, welcome, guys. Please help, guys. Please
Everybody
help.
we push, guys. Chomi yami yebhozo uyaphila kodwa.
Oh, it's
Let's go,
okay.
guys. Tap
Thank
the
you so much.
screen.
You're so kind. Thank you so much, brother. I understand. It's okay. Don't worry. I understand.
Then you need to subscribe and send some stars. Ngiyaphila. Usanda kuvuka noma usalele.
Guys, we lost, my people.
Hey, my MVP.
It's okay, my brother. I
MVP, why are you
understand
in and
Guys,
out?
is it?
Why are you in and out? You gotta stand high, man. Thank you so much, Brownie. I appreciate you.
Guys, come on, please.
Jackie, I
How
said,
proud of those spin?
Guys,
Guys, we are
please,
losing.
guys, we need help. Please share the live, good people. Please share the live, good people. Okay?
everyone tap the screen, guys. Let's go.
Please share the live.
Nala futhi.
As long
Uvuke ngo-5.
I am breathing.
Noma ungaya emsebenzini ungagezanga, as long ungakhathalanga.
Guys, come on, please. Let's tap.
Guys, first give 20
Times
times 3.
3. It's first gift on triples
Guys,
now.
first give 20
Guys, come on,
Guys, anyone
please.
need a big give 20 times 3.
Guys, come on, my people. Come on. Guys,
Guys,
please
let's
share the live.
go.
Please share the live, guys.
Everyone, we push,
Guys,
guys,
let's
on
keep
time.
20 times
These
3.
people. Hi, Sora. Guys, please share. Share, guys.
Guys,
Share,
let's
share,
keep 20
share.
times 3.
Times 3 yonke.
Jesus,
Hayi
please.
ngempela mfethu ayabona nje ukhathala. Ungangimoshela phela.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, no one is tapping the screen.
If reaching out is what inkinga ngoba ulaki angazi.
Melisu,
Manje
beluyitholele enye
angazi.
indawo
Ngisiphi
or uthole enye indawo yoku-streama ngoba hhayi eduze kwe-fridge kuyinkinga impela.
Uzoceda ukudla. Guys,
Niqalile. Niqale guys ngicela sonke sithebe mdlulisa ubona njalo.
Oh, hhayi game off-ke mfethu. Yazi.
Guys, anyone to come and help us, guys, please.
Rose. Yo,
Even that one with Lala Pants is very nice, Shem.
ngingahlale ngiyilalele uma ngingasebenzi.
Yeah, like
Unite akukho.
Guys, anyone with a rose? Guys, no one even tapping the screen. No, I'm
that
not.
one with Lala Pants in there, it's nice. Rosie.
Thank you, Stefan. One rose, eh?
Rosie, even that one, your Lala Pants, it's nice now.
Eh. Ngoba ukakayenzi. Awukakayenzi phela wena.
In le oh.
Yafana umbale noma engalala phansi akabonakali.
Rose. Mele i-camera yakhe ibe phezulu imbuke so ezobonakala.
Serious.
Mawumila ikhanda livele.
But like when no, I can
Guys,
make a
tap the
plan with
screen.
Guys, come on, guys, come on.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Dlala kuyadlalwa la. Guys, let's all tap the screen. Guys,
Come on.
P-Man, how are you doing? When I'm
Guys,
you don't greet me
Guys,
when
can you all
you
tap uhle Nkosi yami? Can you all tap? Mama ka MVP sawubona my queen Nkosi yami. Hey kuba abantu abafuna ukungitaphela screen. Guys, can you all tap?
My user, I see you. User, I need to know your name. I need you to change your name now. How are you
Guys, can you all
doing,
tap the
user?
screen and share
Let's
the live?
punish them. Let's punish them, please.
Guys,
Punish
come
who?
on.
Yeah, P-Man.
Vuvulishe, how are you, my queen? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Ungabingeleli.
Lungisani sawubona njani? Guys, sonke
I
nasithepeni.
want to marry you. I have
Sawubona Mthombe.
and I'm handsome. I'm young and muscular.
Oh, guys,
what a
come on now.
profile.
Guys, come on, please.
What a profile.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, uthepha umuntu oyedwa.
Okay, thank you, Chomi. I'm right. Awusafakanga ne-hearts me.
Nwelekazi, how are you, Siswami?
Guys, we are losing. Guys, can you all tap? We are losing.
Uyandlula.
Profile, Jimmy.
No, even a hi from you. I hope
Jimmy, you are not supporting me because you are not my subscriber.
I hope all is well.
No stars. You are not my star sender.
Guys, can you all tap? You are losing, guys. We are losing.
How can I take you serious, really? Everyone, let's
Guys,
push,
we are losing.
Screen for me.
Yeah. Guys, let me stop complaining and be patient, okay?
Yeah.
That's good for you.
Oh, thank you, Vuvulishen, with them roses. Vuvulishen.
Everyone, let's push, guys.
Guys, let's go as a team. Guys, let's try to snipe together. Guys, anyone with a Donald? Guys, anyone with a Donald to snipe again? Vuvulishen. Awu Vuvulishen Nkosi yami. Awu sawini. Ama-tips hayi thina sinzima kakhulu. Thank you Vuvulishen Nkosi yami. Yazini kuningi.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for tapping on the screen. Again, guys, please show some love for me.
Ngiyabonga Vuvulishen. Mbali.
Hi, Mike.
Oh, sorry.
And you too, Jimmy.
At least niyakhuluma
Thank you,
nabantu.
Mike from Nigeria. My big fan. I love my fan.
Don't you worry, baby.
Yusa ngiyabonga mfethu angeke nginibone nonke yusa.
And my music.
Cishe sadliwa yusa
Times
ngaba
3, guys. Times
suvuvulisheni.
3.
Cutie Ndlela, how are you?
Vuvulisheni with them roses. Thank you.
Help me by
Let's
tapping
all
the
tap,
screen.
Guys,
guys.
first give 20 times
Can
3.
you
Thank you
please
for
tap the
vuvulisheni my
screen
queen. Guys,
for
first
me?
give times 3.
Can you please tap the screen
Guys,
for
first give
me?
times 3.
Can you please tap? Hi, Tabby.
Guys, first give times 3. Guys, you're not even tapping the screen. Guys, can you all tap with them? Guys, can you all tap with them? Guys, can you all tap? Oh shit! Thank you, Vuvulishan, with the finger heart. Thank you, Vuvu. Oh, Vuvulishan, Nkosi yami. Thank you, Vuvu, Nkosi yami yazini. So nguwe wedwa Nkosi yami. Khona into
Guys,
engibhizi
Mara,
ngayo.
can you please tap the screen? Yes, I'm busy saying, guys, please tap the screen. That time I see people.
Oh, thank you,
I don't know
Vuvulishan,
if
Nkosi yami. So nguwe
bakhona
wedwa.
na or they're
Vuvulishan,
not
cela
here.
ufakela ama-finger heart on the speed, ne? Faka
I don't
ama-finger
know.
heart.
Don't you worry, baby.
Oh, thank you, Vuvulishan, with the rose. Guys, everyone on the time soon. Oh, Vuvulishan. Guys, anyone with a donut on the speed? Guys, anyone with a big gift on the speed? Thank you, Vuvulishan. Thank guys, on can I save a screen sharing live? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live.
Guys, come on, please. Come on, my good people. Together.
Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you all tap?
Together.
I'm a universe. Sengifikile ku-135 mbali sengisiya ku-136 man.
Mara ngicela unqinte i-account yami ikhule nayo. I don't know how.
Oh, Vuvulishan with the rose. Thank you, Vuvulishan. Sawubona Lusando njani? Guys, sonke nasepheni.
Ayo.
Sengiya ku-836 man.
Oh.
You are losing. Isikolo sakho nombala
At least
afiki
it's
ne.
punishing, yabo. At least you
Isikolo
punish.
sakho nombala siyafu yami. Siyafu.
Guys, come
Vuvulishan
on.
uzomfakela ama-finger heart bese asabi yafa.
Everyone tap the screen.
Come on guys, let's go. Ngiyabonga Lusanda Nkosi yami mara mangabe sithepha iscreen ngaba sikho ku-36. Yabo. So sesizwa nguVuvulishan Nkosi yami ngama-rose. Ukuthi sithi ukuthi otherwise angaba yikho indaba yethu.
Thank you, NM. Hello, how are you?
Rana.
Welcome in, guys. I'm good. Rudy. How are you? Guys, let's all tap, please. Anyone want that?
Spencer, thank you so much. How are you? Can you please tap the screen? Please tap the screen.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share? Asihambi simile. Simin. Guys, ngiyabonga for tapping the screen. Ngiyabonga for volition because I'm ngama roses. Ngiyabonga.
Karabo, how are you, my sweetie pie?
Oh,
Guys, we're
volition
playing
is not
that
game say
game.
thank
Okay.
you.
Guys, can you please tap the screen? Can you please talk to me, guys? Because now I feel like
Guys, sidlali punishment game
I don't
ne.
have anyone talking
Guys,
to
ngicela
me.
ningifikiseni
Just
ku-1000
keep
I
me,
know
ngiye
name.
just
Guys,
keep
ngicela
me,
ningifikiseni
please,
ku-1000
you guys in
ngibaphanise.
the comments, okay? Please. Just
Everyone,
keep
let's
me,
go, guys. Tap on the screen and
please,
be
let's
active for
tap,
me.
guys. Let's tap.
Guys,
Spencer,
first
thank
gift,
you.
ne. Guys, first gift 20 times
You
2.
are
Guys, don't
appreciated.
above.
Come
Guys,
on, my
anyone with a
people.
big gift 20 times 2.
500 talent game, 1,000. Stand up. They must stand up and go stand there.
Guys, anyone with a big gift 20
Far
times
from
2.
their screen.
Guys, anyone with a big gift 20 times 2.
Spencer, thank you so much.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the
Guys,
live? Guys,
come
let's
on.
keep 20 times 2.
Guys, please tap. Karabo, thank you so much. How are you, my friend? Are you good?
Okay, Vuvu, thank you for coming through, my queen. Thank you for coming through. See you later. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Hey, but
Hi, Spencer.
Guys, talk to me, Claire. How is your day, guys? I'm good, thanks. And I'm also good, my friend. How is your day going?
Guys, can you all tap, Pushe?
Guys, we need one rose.
Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed, ne? Guys, anyone with a rose? Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed?
Thank you so much, Karabo. When the world must come together as one.
One rose, guys. I'm just reading comments.
Guys, come on. Guys, please tap, share the live. Share the live, my good people. Share the live, guys. Like, yo, I need energy. I need some energy, guys. I need some energy.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live, guys. Let's all tap the... Guys, anyone with a rose? Guys, anyone with a rose?
I want to be your guys. Yeah. Robot. Chris. Guys, times two, please. Times two, good people. Times two, guys, please. Times two.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, guys? Maficho, hello, hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you try to win this game? Can you try to beat the legends up?
You know, whatever you're gonna drop, I pray it hits so that they can be punished. Yes.
No, guys, they are putting a clap. Let's beat them, ladies. We are putting clap. Keep a catch, how are you?
Oh my god. Hi, Stella. I think with donut or a hen heart, it was gonna hit. It's okay. How many gloves do you have? Another one, please don't drop it, okay?
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Keep a catch, how are you? Guys, can you try to snipe this 37? She's talking too much. Guys, can you try to snipe this game, please?
Who's
Guys,
taking
please
too much?
tap the screen.
Guys, come on, my people. Guys, come on. Come on, my people.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Because guys, can you all tap?
You're not being patient, ne?
Guys, can you try to snipe this game, guys? Guys, can you try to snipe? You are only a minute left.
You click on the roses, and then it's gonna tell you to recharge. Then you recharge according to however you need.
Guys, come on.
Guys, can you snipe? Guys, can you snipe this game? Oh shit, Keeper Cash with the heart me straight to my heart in Kosiam. Thank you, Keeper Cash. Guys, can you try to snipe this 37? We are only less than 20 seconds left. Let's snipe, guys. Let's snipe this game together. Jayiva ngamabo, jayiva ngamabo, jayiva ngamabo, jayiva ngamabo.
Diana, what's up?
Okwazi washisa nkosi yami ngazini yazini. Ukushisa ngathi ngenye into engiyazi.
Diana, can I have 3 money guns?
Guys, thank you for tapping.
Smoke, yeah.
Ebathi jayiva ngamabo.
Start now. What are you waiting for? Bali,
I'm busy pressing. I don't know why I press. Tease, Angosian. How are you, Teaser?
when will be that? Why not now? Start now.
Guys, can you all tap mfethu? Keep catching Mpuzi juice.
Guys, please let's tap.
Mpuzi cranberry. Guys, first keep 20 times 2 nkosi yami. Guys, anyone with a donut
Lady
and
K,
20 times 2. Mpuzi juice mngani wami. The juice this one. Banyana ba kibafana, bafana ba kibanyana. Oh, thank you, Keeper Cash with the ice cream. Oh, Scarlett.
So guys, I don't know
In
when
the
it's gonna
house. Kalen in the house. Thank you, Putwam Scarlett.
Nobody's gonna
Thank you,
tap
Keeper
this
Cash nkosi yami nge-ice cream. Putwam Scarlett, thank you, the finger height. Banyana ba kibafana, bafana ba kibanyana. Hi, ha. Au Putwam Scarlett. King of finger hearts. Tanko Putwam Scarlett. Ukrend god. Ngicela ungifakela ama-finger hearts amaningi bhuti wami.
Start now. What are you waiting?
Kunini ngishayo ayilabo sesi laba yeyi. Bathi banyanaka kibafana, bafana ba kibanyana. Sayikhumbula ma. Ha. Banyana ba kibafana, bafana ba kibanyana. Udla sama la. Ay, barabatot. Ay. Guys, can you have a rose to activate this?
likes.
Guys, anyone with a rose or a finger heart to activate the speed, guys. 1 rose, 1 finger heart. Guys, 1 rose, no me finger heart.
Yo, Jehovah Jireh.
Guys, can you all tap? You are losing. Guys, anyone with a rose or a finger heart to activate the speed. Guys, can you have a rose? Ooh, Keeper Cash. Thank you. Banyana ba kibafa na bafana ba kibanya na.
Mama Lo.
Anaga utampula isama la. Barigizweri bana ba 21. Oh, Batman. Batman with a rose. Thank you, Batman. Banyana ba kibafa. Guys, let's all tap the screen.
Phoenix. Banati, hello.
Guys on the speed, guys, everyone on the time too. Guys, everyone on the tabs. Guys, let's try donuts, handouts, and stuff on the speed. Guys, everyone on the tables. Guys, let's try to go on the speed. Guys, everyone on the speed. Bati banyana ba kibafa na fana ba kibanyana. Ha. Utampula isama la.
Banyana baki banyana. Yo guys, even my network wanna start doing the geregeres. My network wanna be a weapon formed against
Stolubambise
me.
ngekamakhelwane.
Huh?
Stolubambise guys.
No, inokuhlupho vela ngithi yona.
Ugezi bagcine belungisile.
Yeah, same day.
Yes.
Yo phela into yazi into zamagezi twi and stuff. Ngabe nibiza mina. Yabona into zamagezi ezinabo twi cha phi.
Wenzani?
Ngakuhlanganisela igedlela ne-TV ne-fridge nentambo yesitofu eplugini eyi-1 mawupluga ngapha ziyaduma ngapha nanga.
Welcome back, Kevin. Really? Ayi wena ukho right.
Rodzani.
Anginjani?
Uzosipha nendlu.
Ubongena emkhukhwini uyazi i-connection yasemkhukhwini. Ubona igedlela hlangane ne-TV. Ifridge ihlangane nesitofu ngiyakutshela. Ngoba emkhukhwini phela you can't have so many plugs. Kuyathontela azongenwa ngamanzi bese uyabo ubhomela endlini. So it's better to connect the dots. Mawumuntu omdala uhlanganisa ama dots. Nganyakaza ikhanda. Uhlanganisa ama dots. Ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakutshela Chief uhlanganisa.
Ungashaywa ingane ezincane. Oh, Kevin, you left me on a punishment game and they punished me so bad.
Phela sithi ungamtshela uCameron ukuthi asithi bese kupanisha. Ya yena ukuleftile onepani mara kusithi.
Yini.
Anyana baki bafana.
Now we are doing a punishment of quiet game.
But mara guys gane we smoke mara eh.
I smoke sizobuya. Asifani phela ismoke ngeke. Sometimes uthi ungena nje kuvele kuvuthe. Sometimes uthola uphakathi, sometimes ukuthola so
Don't send roses now. You already a title gifter of roses. Let's try
guys, can you all tap? Usibuda onias mfethu tap screen.
Maybe big gifts like money guns, because we have money guns on the live group. We need 3 money guns. If we get to 500, they keep quiet. Or there's kisses, there's corgis, all of those. Because you are the title gifter of roses now, which means your name is on my gift gallery. Okay, thank you guys, my bookers. It's time for me to love and leave you. Right, everybody.
Ufuna ukuhamba? Lwazi?
On Facebook.
Lwazi?
How?
Yeah? Uthi, you are on Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You don't get these things. Phela ungaba ku live ama live ayi3. Ube ku TikTok, ube ku Facebook, ube nangapho. Wonke amafoni ujikeleza ubheka ngapho uthi one roses. Ngapho uthi yes.
One rose. Babuze ngapho ukuthi Roseland lelo manje.
Babuze ngapha yabo you are my challenges. Esihlangana nawo. Bathi Roseland manje. Omunye ulicela alifake vele ngale na ku Facebook iRoselela la ku Facebook lele.
Kevin,
guys, can you all tell?
MVP was my star sender la ku Facebook. Manje uzwa lo munye engidlala naye la uthi how can I keep him quiet? Uzakala. Wafika na ngempela. Wadlala kancane.
Hi Pex.
Alrighty.
What is your name on Facebook, Loz?
It's Lord. Same.
Lord King. What is your name on Facebook?
Mina.
Like now, do you go live on Facebook?
Mina. Ngicala i-account yami le isasesha manje. Khona abanye abantu embafonele bafuna 4.5 ukuthi bakwazi ukubuyisa le Facebook yami le evele.
4.5.
Nazi, what is your name on Facebook? Better not to be now.
Bafuna 4.5 ukubuyisela le Facebook yami.
Let's push it. Ayo. What's that?
Kwazi kwabhora kwa
Nazi,
TikTok.
do you also get something on Facebook? Yeah, Lwazi. Lwazi.
Oh, thank you, Teres, my queen. Thank you, Teros. How are you, my queen? Oh, it's been quiet today, yo. These ladies have been doing wonders to me. They've been beating me like I'm a small boy. How are you, Teres, my queen? How is work? I'm a queen again now. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, we are less than 40 seconds left. Bathi sebadakiwe.
Please tap
Yes, I know. Work is always busy, my queen. Work is always busy. It's always busy, very busy, very, very busy. But as long as we are okay, yeah, we'll keep adjusting day by the day.
Hi, Zan.
Okay, my queen. Thank you.
How are you doing?
Thank you, Dennis with them roses. Thank you, my queen. See you later then.
Guys, tap the screen. Hi, Kamara.
Thank you. Thank you, Dennis with them roses. Thank you.
Please tap the screen.
Oh, guys, they're sniping with donuts. Fuck.
Thank you so much.
That's what they've been doing to me
Kamara,
since
please, can we punish them?
beating us with donuts, handouts, and stuff. Thank you, my queen. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen for us.
Yeah, Bongazan.
Ooh, Teres! Teres, thank you. Ooh, Teres, I know. That's you see? You see what they are trying to do. Thank you, Teres. You see what they are trying to do. That's what they've been doing to me since in the morning. Now it's
Anything on doubles, guys.
I'm coming back for the third time thinking that I'll become the smoke of the smoke. Thank you, my queen. Thank you, William Roses. Thank you, my queen. This is my third time thinking that this time they are lying. But hey, they keep on beating me with donuts and handers. Thank you, Teres, my queen. Teres, my one and only queen. Akudlala kuyadlala uTeam Jens inamandla.
Let's go, guys. We all tap on the screen, please.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, don't get us tap the screen and share in live. Guys, can you all tap before they snipe? Before they snipe, I know you snipers. You like to put more donuts and what. We know you. This time you are not doing that.
Guys, come on. Come on, guys, come on.
Everyone tap the screen, guys.
Ngilalele enye video omunye ugela confessor. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't let them snipe.
Marcus, can I please restart because akhonakan abantu bafreezile nabo brownie they are still here. Like I don't have anyone.
Omunye umama athi bebe nomngane wakhe besebeneminyanga yonke bemaketha bengatholi umsebenzi nangabahlala nomunye umama. Ooh.
Guys, let's go.
FP1, my queen, how are you? Long time. How are you? Long time, my queen. Angisakwazi nkosi yami. Yabo bemakethe nangabahlala nomunye umama etown. Lo mama wathi nawufuna umsebenzi ukhona, yabo. Mara lo msebenzi ukuphi? Ukuthi nina nifike ninjani? Niclean nje lapha emochari, yabo. So nina manicleaner kanti lo mama uyabatrika. Mawufika lapha emochari, wathi inkinga manicleaner lapha nizobona idumo ngenithuko yabo ngcono la kuze kunamaphilisi ewonyewani wovala wokwehlisa uvalo ukuthi noma ungabona hayi akuthi thi kanti lamaphilisi asiwevalo ngokuthi benjani ama-silver bullet vele la ukuthi vele umuntu ezovele yabo afuna umuntu manje bese abangenise kwenye iroom linesidumbu zamadoda lapho batsho beblowjob isidumbu ziime yesidumbu bese bona babashaya iwoman on top la zakuze isidumbu beze bebe satisfied batsho ngisakutshela istory batsho nesidumbu size sichama magubhela sawubona batsho nesidumbu size manje lesidumbu singachama ekhohlika khona bese umsebenzi wabo bona sebesebenzi wabo la hamba belala namadoda anemali nje yabo yonke impilo yabo nje sokuhamba belala namadoda anemali like mangabe soku amadoda sebe attracted babuyela lokhu lo mama bayolala nedumbu futhi bevuselela bahamba inyanga yonke futhi behla and indoda izoba attracted yena manje bathi sebekhathele ngokulala nedumbu manje sebefuna serious makopela Cloud Clopas sawubona serious oh thank you Clopas manje bathi sebekhathele ukulala nedumbu bashaya isidumbu ngewoman on top sebekhathele manje ukuthi yabo every time mangaba kusela ama client banjani yabo serious bashaya isidumbu ngani ngewoman on top manje sebefuna ukukhwitha lento leyo ukuthi balale nedumbu yabo ngoba ukuthi omunye uze bekhwithe omunye like kwakushona umalumakhe so umalumakhe wayekhona lapho kulabantu abazolalwa nabo umngane wakho wamshaya ngeblowjob malume yavuka efini oh thank you class serious classic thank you Chauke yeah batsho bamshaya iblowjob yavuka umalume afini bamgibela ngewoman on top wachitha umalume that's why sebefuna ukukhwitha ngoba wabona umalume kanjani ashawa ngewoman on top afile
manje bavuswa yini abafile
angithi basebenziwe imkhuba serious mzimfethu basebenziwe imkhuba labantu fana nokuthi lwazi kuso mina ngithola unhlangana nomuntu endleleni uClopas inkosi yami ufaka ifinger yathi igame ngaqala ngihlangane nomuntu ethi endleleni afika athi sifuna umsebenzi yabo masifika lapho sifuna umsebenzi bese angenise lapho bamphuzisa amaphilisi ukuthi like vele imizwi iphakame ngenye indlela bese ngithi nyangena lapho ngithole nina nabombali baninekile lapho nifini obviously ngizonigibela ngithi angisazenzi ngizonigibela vele bese mangihamba lapho sengihamba ngathatha bomama banemali ama big fish hayi yazi mawufika lapho mzi bazokuphuzisa anti usemoshari bazokuphuzisa amaphilisi bathi ngawani ngokwehlisa uvalo kanti la maphilisi la afana nomdolofiya mara wona asheshe ukudlula umdolofiya agijima igazi lonke vele uzizwe sowufuna umuntu manje namanje uyangibamba sowufuna umuntu namanje bese bakungenisa kule room elabo isidumbu lezi ezikhumulile mawuthi uyasibheka isidumbu sipakini uzokwenzani obviously qeda bakushaya nge-10,000 uhambe sozohamba ulala nabanye phambili le uthatha inhlanhla zabo yabo
Highlands so yena lo mama ubenefita ini
lo mama ngithi yena labantu laba like le percentage ababeyenza le uyabatshela ukuthi every month mina ngifuna 20 yabo senizoba nenhlalo enizobethola ama big fish hayi laba bena bothi mawuthi nithengele ikoti athi nizobona month lo yamawuthi ikoti kushaya ngemali yamakoti iveni yonke imali ethenga amakoti agcwele iveni yeah guys manje anisangitepheli iscreen asangigift ngoba mina selokhu ngiyanicocela indaba zabantu mara ningigift ngizama yazini ayikuningi
akazi mina ngicela ukristart because akukhonakali so at least ngibe nabantu
ayikhonakali wakhonakala kithi hawukhonakali wakhonakala
after this game I'm gonna restart
kusona sekuseni bekusona we zinkosi yami
unzima emhlabeni
ngabe bengihlala estradeni esi1 mbali mina vele bengizothutha lapho bozofika umemeze lapha egedini mngana sambe live ugijima ubuyele endlini mina vele bengemvumi
why
Hey wena bozongihlupha njengawe.
Bengeke. Yazi mina ngihambi mara. Yo.
Asithi imbali sowazi ukuthi okay ngibonile how mngani. Ngithi hawa mina sengihlala lapho uthi uyabheka 3 or 4 houses from la ohlala khona.
Mina
Ubhorekile.
the way ngilapha
Unamandla.
ngakhona ukuhamba mina.
10 roses,
Khona ngeke
guys. I'll
uhambe
even
ne.
pay.
Mara uzotexta hey mngani ubhizi ngani let's go live bese ngithi angiyilive kuyabhora kunasmoke. Yabo. Bese ngithi woza sodle ice cream bese uthi ngiyeza manje. Ngiyazi phela into ezikhuphula yabo. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, can we have 10 roses or a rosa?
Yes, come on please.
Guys, 10 ama rose noma rosa. Guys, 10 ama rose noma. Hayi labangani bami labathanda ukungidlisa. Na vele this year ngiyagcina ukwenza icontent izinto.
Hawu ngastop.
Guys, 10 ama rose. Cleopas ngiyabonga nge1 because I'm guys
10
ngicela 10
roses,
ama
guys.
rose noma
Please, let's
rosa.
go.
Guys ashota 10 ama rose besivulela ispeed. Yazi umuntu yazini ngiyabonga Cleopas inkosi yami. Ah, uCleopas. How guys ashota guys. Who Cleopas? Thank you. Thank you for leveling up because I'm level 12. Gosh, in the building. Thank you Cleopas bhuti wami because I'm so nguwe wedwa yazini. Yazini ngaba kusuwe ngabe isono ngami kule app. Guys on the times 2 ke. Guys anyone on the Donald Hendard imani can on the speed. Guys everyone on the doubles. Ithi sodwa guys esine speed. Ngicela sisebenzini noma ama finger heart ama rose amaningi. Guys on the speed. Angeke sivule ispeed singasisebenzisi bazosihleka. And esivuleke isikhathi sesiyophela ile speed sakhona. Ispeed esihlangane nesniper, hayi TikTok seyihlakaniphile manje. Ispeed esihlangane nesikhathi sokusniper, makuphela ispeed vele isikhathi sokusniper vele. Guys vele ispeed siyaphela vele singazidlalanga. Silokhu sijayiva ngamabomu, jayiva ngamabomu, jayiva ngamabomu.
We are bad.
Ngizonitshela angithi nani akuvethanga ngizotshela mase siphela.
Galaxy Mo Candy.
Everyone tap, guys. Let's go.
Cabanga ispeed kana siphela nge15. Ispeed kana siphela manje cabanga ku15. Sokusele 15 seconds yabo ukuthi isikhathi sespeed siphela nokusniper iTikTok ihla ngathi ngiyenza njalo ithi speed plus isikhathi sokusniper same time kubambanisa. Speed siphele kusele 15 seconds ukuthi 14 13. Yeah, mawukhululeke ku speed sozomela usebenzise 50. How sawina nkosi.
Let me start. I'm coming now, ne? I'm not gonna take time.
Singadlala igame one sikulindi.
She's not gonna.
Ku restart taxis if you don't have smoke you don't have. Sengabona mina.
Akusizi kodwa sometimes akusizi ekutheni ifaka abantu ne-smoke but iyasiza ukuthi sisuse laba abahleli laba abasuke bengathephi because leyo kulokhu ublock
Bese
abantu
nalaba ade bethepa bevele behambele unomphela. Bavele bathi shu kuku. Shu kuku. Ay shu.
Yo, Nkosi yomusa, Nkosi yothando.
everyone let's go
Ekhona
guys
umama ohlezara selingane yakhe la ejaradini Nkosi yami. Uyitreata ngathi angazi asingane yakhe or iwana ngapha uyayirasela.
Wena, the way ashaya umntwana ne, umshaya ngathi ushaya umuntu omdala.
ubani
Ukabhizi manje khumula uniform wena uyahlanya khumula msono wakho.
Amanje lo bayamshaya ne. Bamshaya kabuhlungu.
ubani
Like every day. Ithi umntwana niba wamshaya umntwana kabuhlungu.
Ayila abanye abantu
Yes.
ninzima nikhiphela istress zene ebantwaneni ninzima kakhulu. Ninzima shame yonke. Ninzima shame yonke.
King Mosa, please tap the
yes, please
screen.
tap the screen for me. No one is tapping. No man,
Yeah, I've never seen something like this, Shem.
Thank you for tabs. Yeah, so tap at 10K investing payment. Ivo, you are doing a lot. Thank you, man.
Cyberspace, thank you for tapping. King Mosa, thank you for tapping. You guys are appreciated.
You are busy.
kwathula nina smoke chef. Hawa. Noma changiwazi amasayini abantu abanesmoke. Nina nithule so. Hawa ngivele ngiyazile nkosi yami. Guys, let's all tap vele bashayeni ngama-taps, bashayeni ngama-taps, let's all tap. Molo mfethu khulileka makacebo.
Shem.
Akuzolunga nkosi yami. Amalanga wafani makuvezeke lakho nami ngizoba mnandi. Guys, can you all tap?
And I'm along funny. But Jessica, how are you, lovey?
Okay, P-Man, no problem. Let's all tap, guys. Let's all tap. Thank you, bro.
Sasa ngiboni ngizostream ekuseni ngizobona. Ore mina. Ngoba kusasa i-Wednesday angisho. Ilanga lami lokwenza i-content thile yange-Saturday or Sunday. Or till Friday bese Saturday ngiza nezi-fresh. Fresh test ngiza nama-dancing and what. Disekonyiwa. Or umuntu aziphumele ku-live azigezele nkosi yami. Ahlukane ne-fashion alalele kuyi-2 hours. Abuye ababone ntambama energy kakhulu athi phezu kwabo phoza yami phezu kwabo. Ukuvela abo-ideal. Mina ngaba nemali uNkulunkulu ngifuna indlu enebar ne-swimming pool. Yeah. Ngistreama phakathi kwe-swimming pool. Ngambona sengistreama phakathi kwe-swimming pool hlale nazi ukuthi hayi sokunjalo. Yes, Sanel. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Cyberspace. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Umtshela umama wakhe ngibona nginjani. Ufika umtshela ukuthi
Guys,
umbona.
I need some motivation. We're playing a punishment game. Can you
Yazi
please people, guys?
Ngithi
So
ufika
that we can
umtshela
have energy, guys. Come on.
mangifika umalume usukume ngenye indlela yabona ngibhizi ngisa.
We can do this, guys.
Let's all tap, guys.
Guys, first give 20 times 2. Guys, first give 20 times 2. Seva ngamabomu.
Young G.
Mati yang mula baby. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Oh, Zandi Mazandis. Ngiyabonga ngeheart me, my friend. Mazandi of the Zandas, of the Zaza, of the Zazalicious, of the Red Zazas, the one and only short girl. Nkosi yami umuntu wami ngedwa. Mina vele mina ngistreaming nge-ring light ngiyabambisa kuphela ifoni nge-ring light yo kuyashisa. Hawu uyahleka nkosi yami awe. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Guys, can you have a roast out the speed?
Right, Ace and Saras.
Ngiyabonga Sotobe nkosi yami ngiyabonga ngeheart me. Ngiyabonga. Hey Gerald sabona guys anyone with a roast out the speed ne? Guys, can we have a roast out? Ooh, thank you. Awu Sotobe man ngiyabonga ngerose nkosi yami. Amadanko puti. Amadanko. Guys, ongena sepe screen share live.
Let's do it.
Kimusa, thank you.
Guys on the speed, ne? Guys, everyone on the time too. Guys, everyone on the time too. Guys, can you try to play on the speed, ne? Guys, everyone on the time too. Guys, everyone on the tables. Guys, let's try to use the speed. Akusekho nene Donald nyana henda tinyana. Amadanko Sotobe nkosi yami, amadanko puti. Guys, akekho ne Donald noma ihenda on the speed. Hey, but jiva ngamabomu. Jiva ngamabomu. Jiva ngamabomu. Bathi nami ngishaywa uvalo angi-understand semathandweni angikhuzeki mbani ozokuvikela
Uthuke wani Kimusa? Imali or in? Ama likes. Ukhuluma ngama likes. Mancane Shem. But Shem, you've been tapping and I'm so happy. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much.
bathi sebadaki we mapa. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Guys, can you anyone with a hand at a money can a galaxy or a coke? Bathi sebadaki we jumi. Yabona i-Rose ihenda theatre master yashesha ukhanya. I-Donald yo umuntu uyafaka 4 umunye abuye afake 2 masomcela ezinye 4.
Exactly. Yo.
Ngabona yazi ngabona umuntu ekhanyisa i-Donald ungakudlalela 2 games lokho yaphosa nga 2 2 3 3 lokho kuzoba lula umthetho sokushoda 2 uzobona hayi 2 kwakuyena afake extra 2 futhi.
Yeah.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Bathi jiva yo shit to ay man.
Yeah, hi Shem Nina. Go smoke less, Shem. See, smoke less. Lwazi, come back, my sister.
I'm back home.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live, ne, guys? Guys, let's all tap the screen. Guys, first gift on the time soon. Guys, first gift on the time soon. Oh, thank you. Our sauce. Our sauce Mashayla. Thank you with them roses. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen, share the live. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so sweet. A finger heart in Kosyam. Ay, go sweet in Jane. I see
Guys,
pie.
please tap the screen.
Like what you mean? Milk tart. Exactly, very milk tart, very straight.
Sweet.
Oh,
Can we all tap, guys?
look. Iki pie. Ngathi kuyafana.
Ngiyakutshela.
Awukhiphe ngibona. Mina ngathatha lokhu bokuphezulu ipie shoot yenye. Guys, can you all tap? We are losing.
Please tap the screen for me, guys. Let's go.
Uzokusiza. Amanzi ashisa nje. Oh, thank you, Sauce. You are the only one with them roses. Thank you. Awa. Seconds ngiyofudumala. Ngiyakutshela. Phansi kuyobe kubanda. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, we are losing. Guys, can you have 10 roses or a rosane? Guys, 10 yama rose noma rose abezivulela ispeed ne. Guys, ngicela shayela amantombazana noma engathula. Guys, 10 yama rose noma rosa. Guys, can you have 10 roses or a rosa?
10 roses, guys.
2 yama finger hearts ke. 10 roses or 2 finger hearts. Aprina sawubona njalo.
Let's push, guys. Hi, Rick Mix. Thank you. Have a heart.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, come on, let's all tap. You are losing.
Okay, young.
Ngiyenzeni ngani
And you
ngiyodlala
are
nabo
winning.
TikTok King.
When like you are
I'll
winning,
sleep, yeah,
sit
sleep.
with that.
Yeah, sami or nginishiye ngihambe ngiyodlala nabo TikTok King. Ngiyenze njani?
Yazibona ukuthi njani.
Ngiyenze njani bali?
Yenza lo.
Should I leave you and go to play with the kings of the TikTok? Because you ladies are so smokeless. Guys, can you all tap? Score sakho nombali can't even cover my score. You see, I should go and play with. Who is that guy? Simba and stuff, you see.
Hambi ekuzimba. Uzobuya ugijime kuthukile la ukuthi what is this? What did you think you came to do here?
I'm Cheyenne.
Everyone tap, guys, please. Let's all tap the screen.
Awusawina ngama-chips inkosi yami.
Guys, thank you so much for tapping. Amanda, how are you? Yo, Asham, guys. Thank you for tapping, guys. We don't have smoke.
You guys must share the live also.
Yeah.
The MVPs that you know.
Yo, guys.
Share the live, please.
Bekunjani emsebenzini?
×2, guys. Let's go. First gift on doubles. Can we all tap the screen? We are all tapping.
Amanda.
Together as one.
Marastin.
Together as one.
That's first gift only ×2. Mavula somshini. Wena sobiza uJohn ukuthi une-emergency usela.
Everyone we push, guys. Let's go. Oh,
Ngiyanyofa guys. Sele mina ngiyi-1.
Yeah. Khipha imali ediving wethu uzobona. Mbali. Ngeke usathi siyanyofa sobona ngawe.
I'm full mina ngidlile before ngidla live. I'm full.
Abekho abantu abadla njengama-streamers nkosi yami enyadla zinja.
Yena ngathi the more uhlezi phansi the more ufuna ukudla. Nami I don't know who I was telling ukuthi mina ne when I'm not live I don't eat.
10 roses.
But once I'm live, I eat. But when I'm not,
Kunama-character wonke, kunabathanda ukudla. Kunabathanda utshwala, kunabathanda amakhoki, kunabathanda itiye.
Eating too much when I'm back. You are not eating too much.
Umbali uthanda ama-beverages. Into zokuphuza. Njengekhoki yona.
yeah.
Izokubulala. Angabukela kwenye live uyiminya so ubhodle it's so cold yo. Ngapha kuyabana. Ngasho uzuli yo it's cold. Ngasho mbalisto.
Mina itiye ngiyiphuza shema.
One day izoshisa omunye umama umlomo aswabi.
Nama ngiyiphuza itiye shema ave ngayithandi yazi.
Hey.
Nama ngiyayithanda itiye lozi. Noma kushisa.
Ngiyithenge green tea.
Cabanga sophuza itiye kuso. Cabanga sophuza ukutiye kuso phela kuyabo songathi uphume esifuthweni.
Phela yazi ukuthi kuhleli kunomoya obandami nerumini lami soma ngiphuza itiye ngibi kankinga nje. Ngaphandle kwenye room. Yazi ukuthi hayi kuyashisa I can't drink tea. Kwanokubandanyana nje. Noma kungabandi lo moya lo polisa.
Le room lakho yileli kufunisa itiye hamba ngaphandle kushisa khona uzoza ukuthi no man ayisafuneki le room.
Right mosi ngijwayezile itiye.
Yileli kufunisa itiye kakhulu bongani sawubona. Change room. Change room.
Right le ngiyithanda. Hi.
Nangazi ukhona wangiloya ngetiye.
Phuza. Mina ngathi ngo-5 ngizo-enda ngipheke and then ngibuye late because wow.
Hayi vele nayi sonke njalo. Nangathi khona ungangiloya ngetiye, wangijubulela ngetiye. Ngangiyithanda itiye mara yo manje.
Mina itiye. I've never.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap. Guys, first gift on the ×3, ne? Guys, first gift on the ×3. First gift. I'm not very after laying a poor man.
I'm going to cook because wow. There's no food.
Wow.
I think this time and cook.
Yes, when Shami. Thank you, Shami. Wangzama. How we MVP fan. Hey. Oh, MVP.
Hey, Mama.
Thank you so much. We are Pila.
Shoko.
Andile. Andile ngisalinde igift yami namanje. Awu njengoba uhleli uyohlala kuze kuphela igame ngitshela. Uyolokhu uyi-MVP phela usebenzile la. 200. Hawu kade sayigcina ngapha. Asikaze siyibone nje namhlanje. Ngathi yibo laba abangifakela ibhadi laba engidlala nabo laba kumele ngishintshe abangani. Kumele ngishintshe abangani. Ngithole ama-best friend. Ngithola ama-best friend amasha. Guys, tap the screen.
Na vele nami after next le game ngifuna ukurestart nkosi yami nyayi. Hi.
Yazini.
Yazini kuningi. Kuningi.
Hayi ngoba nakho kanjani cha. Uthule isidalwa nje. Uhambe wayaphi izolo shemu ungasabuyanga? Siphethe smoke. Abantu bambe befuna wena nje qobo. Everyone, let's move it. Move it. Guys, don't tap on the screen. Let's all tap, please. Let's all tap. Please tap the screen for me. Everyone, let's move, guys. Tap the screen. Very quiet. Very quiet. Guys, let's all tap the screen. Ngiyabonga government, Papa. My God. Mhlambe kuyoba ngcono ntambama.
Yes.
khona ukuthi abantu abawu-2, 3 ukuthi khona i-punishment enye enzima kabi ukuzala.
Uthi umuntu arestarte nkosi yami yo ayikubi nkosi yami kubi. Yazi sitsho sithi umuntu omdala akakhumuli impahla engayenzi lutho sithi iyageza or ukhona akwenzayo uyahleka
Uba okhumulile. Yeah.